Hey guys, Puneet here, and let's check out the trending tech news of this week. So the first update is from Helsinki. Well, so far we have seen cars to get smarter in navigating themselves. Now looks like robots are going to clean busy city streets too on their own. In Helsinki, a pilot trial has been launched where the cleaning robot Trombia Free will sweep the streets of the Finnish capital. Trombia Free has a very modern design and weighs around 2,600 kilograms. The autonomous and electric street sweeper is so quiet that it makes it possible to sweep the streets at night, hindering traffic as little as possible. In addition, it has the ability to detect obstacles and pedestrians, although at the moment it is not fully autonomous and an operator monitors its operation all the time. So the next one is from Alibaba-Backed car maker Zhiji, which has unveiled its L7 electric sports sedan, which combines futuristic looks with a variant that will provide a 1,000-kilometer range in 2022. At first, the vehicle will be offered with a 93 kWh battery pack that will present it with an NEDC range of 382 miles, which is approximately 615 km, but a larger 118 kWh pack will be offered in the future, boosting the claimed range to 621, which means approximately 1,000-kilometer mark, which is really hard to break. The vehicle has claimed a 540 horsepower and it can do a 0 to 96 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds, which seems pretty fast. It even features semi-autonomous driving tech and has cameras as side view mirrors. The another standard feature will be the L7's ability to wirelessly charge at up to 11 kilowatt. So it looks like there's going to be a huge competition between electric car makers for the next few years now. So the next update is from Huawei. They have launched its Band 6, which is Huawei's entry-level fitness tracker and is meant for those who don't need or want a full-fledged smartwatch. The form factor is very much a hybrid between the smartwatch and a smart band. The Huawei Band 6 can track all basics including your step count, calorie burn, activity duration, heart rate, stress, all-day SpO2 and sleep. It supports around 96 workout modes and its battery can last up to 2 weeks on a charge. However, there is not mention of any inbuilt GPS, so that will be a big minus for a smartwatch. So the next update is from Realme. They have launched a Watch 2, which is a successor of Realme Watch. And Realme Watch 2 brings an identical 1.4-inch touchscreen IPS LCD with 320 by 320 pixel resolution and up to 600 nits of brightness. Realme is bringing over 100 watch faces to choose from, including new live options. There is a single button on the right hand side and the whole package is IP68 water and dust resistance. The Watch 2 weighs around 38 grams as well. You can now track over 90 sports modes, up from 14 on the previous model. You also get a sleep and stress tracking as well as standard heart rate and SpO2 monitors. There's a smart AIoT control for all your Realme smart devices and appliances. So guys, the last update is from Samsung. The company officially unveiled the Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360, a premium laptop and 2-in-1 convertible. Portability is the main point here. The 13.3-inch screen model weighs under a kilogram. Even the 15.6-inch model is barely just over that. Both are very thin as well. A big part of the appeal of these laptops are their AMOLED display, which is amazing. Both laptops are powered by 11th gen Intel Core processor. You can configure them with i3, i5 or i7 CPUs, as well as with a range of 8, 16 or 32 gigs of LPPDR4X RAM. The storage can be added to up to 1 terabyte in a form of NVMe SSD types. So guys, that's all the update for this week. If you like the video and want to get notified of more tech news and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and hope to see you next week.